Hello friends, in this video I will show you basic computations using Python Pandas library. Python Pandas is known for data frames, which are a very convenient way to manipulate data, store it as a variable, and do all sorts of parallel computations. The philosophy of Python Pandas is to get things done with one line of code. So this is some sample code I wrote in Python Pandas where you can see that I create Pandas data frame using two lists which I combine into a data frame. Okay, so this I think is something all beginners want to do, and it is a very basic Python Pandas exercise. So here I import Python Pandas, I create list A, and I create list B. Now this line of code zips up the lists and then makes them into a data frame. Okay, this line over here simply declares them as a list. I think they are already lists, so this actually may be redundant. Yes, like I thought it is actually redundant, but if you have, for example, if these were some sort of NP array or something like that, that is when you would use that line. But anyway, here we create the data frame and you can see it. So a data frame is very easy to work with. For example, if I have df and I want to get row 0, you can see, by the way, you can see indexes automatically generated from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But if you wish to create your own index, you can do that also. We will not do that in this video because for our purposes, these indexes are fine. So, if you wish to have row 0, you can simply write df.loc and you can write your index. If it is a string, it would be something like this, but it is not a string. So, actually, loc is integer indexing. iloc would be string indexing. Anyway, row 0. And we have both of the values we like. Now we still have these indexes attached, so you can index through string, such as this. That is the point of that. But if you want, you can also index like this. So that is two instances of getting this value. You can also get simply the values. So now you have row 0 in the form of array. And again, you can index like so. So you can see the utility of this already. Now, let's say I want a column. I would simply write df and I can simply select the column I want. Very easy, very, very easy. And of course, index further. So you can see the utility. What if you wish to do computations with all these numbers? Well, you can do parallel computation by simply using one line of code. That is the philosophy of Python Pandas. Okay, my friends, so you see here, I am adding row A and row B. And if I wish to add this to the data frame, I can simply call it row C. And allow it to equal to this, all in one line of code. So if I print, you can see we now have row C. And of course, you can do any computation you want. And unless your data frame is very, very big, unless it is approaching a million lines of code of data, then all of these computations will be under a second. Very impressive. So, I think that is all for this video. If you like it, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and if you want more tutorials like this, then please let me know. Thank you.